Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you mosaic granny square new design for kitchen towel. Start the pattern. For this kitchen towel I am using light wool 2 colors, 3 ply. You can be use any of wool and hook size for this pattern. 1 2 3 4 4 chains, slip stitch, single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, single crochet 8, row 1, 3 chains, we count a double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet, 2 more, 3 chains, skip the next stitch, 3 double crochet, next stitch, 3 chains, skip next stitch, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, skip next stitch, 3 double crochet, next stitch. I have 4 group for corner, 3 chains and slip stitch, third chain, slip stitch in the next stitch and 1 slip stitch in the next stitch, slip stitch in the corner. In the next row we will start in the corner. I have 4 corner. The next row start in the middle of corner, change color and chain 1. We don't count this chain 1 and make a in the skip single crochet stitch, make a corner, double crochet 1, 3 chains, 1 step down in the single crochet middle stitch we skipped before and 3 chains, skip 3 double crochet here, skip 3 chains into the single crochet stitch, 1 step down, make a corner, double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, skip 3 double crochet, 1 step down into the single crochet stitch, double crochet, 3 chains and double crochet. Continue and follow the same work around the slip stitch into the double crochet stitch. Okay, at the end of row 2, 3 chains into the double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch and the middle stitch make 1 slip stitch and here change color. Every row start in the corner and change color, chain 1 and we don't count this chain 1 in the same stitch, 1 step down, make a double crochet, 3 chains and double crochet in the middle stitch corner and chain 1 step down in the 3 double crochet stitches, row 2, 1 step down, 3 double crochet in the middle double crochet stitch and chain 1 in the next corner. Here in the 3 chains middle chain, make a 1 step down, make a corner, double crochet, 3 chains and 1 double crochet and continue the same work around. Chain 1 in the next group, row 2, middle double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, 3, 1 2 3, top of the middle stitch and corner in the middle of chain, chain 1 and here in the middle chain 1 step down, make a corner double crochet, 3 chains and double crochet. Follow the same work around, then slip stitch into the double crochet stitch. At the end of row 3, make a chain 1 and slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch corner and 1 slip stitch in the middle of corner and change color. Chain 1 we don't count, and 1 step down in the chain 3 middle chain, make a corner again, double crochet 1, 3 chains, double crochet 1. 1 step down in the chain 3 of row 2 middle chain, make a corner, and then chain 1 and skip this double crochet in the corner double crochet stitch, make a double crochet 3, 1 step down in the V stitch corner, and then chain 1, skip this double crochet 3 and into the corner, next 1 step down, corner double crochet stitch, make a double crochet 3 and chain 1, corner 1 step down in the middle of chain, double crochet 1, 3 chains and double crochet 1. From corner to corner continue and follow the same work around, then slip stitch into the double crochet stitch. Here at the end of row 4, chain 1, 1 step down in the corner stitch, make a double crochet 3 and slip stitch in the double crochet stitch, 1 slip stitch, next chain and change color. Chain 1, 1 step down in the corner middle chain, make a corner again, 1 step down, double crochet, 3 chains and double crochet in the corner. Row 5, chain 1 and 1 step down in the corner double crochet stitch, double crochet 3, and chain 1. In row 5, from corner follow the same work, corner 1 step down and make a double crochet 3 in the corner double crochet stitch, 1 step down in the next middle double crochet stitch, 1 step down, make 3 double crochet and chain 1, 1 step down in the next corner, 1 double crochet stitch, 3 double crochet as we work this side, and then chain 1 and corner 1 step down in the middle of chain 3, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet 1. Continue and follow the same work around, then slip stitch into the double crochet stitch. At the end of row 5, make 1 slip stitch in the double crochet stitch and slip stitch, next chain in the middle, change color and chain 1, we don't count this chain 1. 1 step down in the middle of chain, make a corner double crochet, 3 chains and double crochet in the same stitch here. 1 step down, row 6, chain 1 and 1 step down in the corner double crochet stitch, same color, make 3 double crochet, increase in the corner, and 1 chain, skip the double crochet 3 stitches, 1 step down in the middle of double crochet stitch, next group double crochet 3, and 1 chain, double crochet 3, 1 step down in the next middle stitch, same color, 1 step down in the middle stitch, make double crochet 3, and 1 chain in the next corner in the double crochet stitch, corner stitch, 1 step down, make double crochet 3, as we worked this side here, double crochet 3, and 1 chain, and make a corner, 1 step down in the middle of chain, double crochet 3 chains, and double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet in the next double crochet corner stitch, 1 step down, and now from here, from corner to corner, follow the same work around, then slip stitch. I have completed 6 row, slip stitch in the next row. Now from here, continue and follow the increasing row, corner in the corner stitch, chain 1. In every row, start in the middle of corner and follow the increasing row, chain 1, 1 step down in the middle of chain, make a corner, double crochet 3 chains and 1 double crochet, and chain 1 and 1 step down in the corner double crochet stitch, increase double crochet 3, and chain 1, double crochet 3, 1 step down in the same color, double crochet middle stitch, 3 double crochet, and chain 1, 1 step down in the next group, 3 stitches, middle stitch, make a 3 double crochet, and 1 chain in the middle stitch, 1 step down, double crochet 3, and chain 1 in the next corner, double crochet stitch in the next corner stitch as we did here, make double crochet 3, 1 step down in the corner stitch, and then chain 1 in the next corner middle chain, make a corner, double crochet 3 chains and double crochet, chain 1 in the 1 step down double crochet corner stitch, make double crochet 3, and chain 1 in the next group, make middle stitch, double crochet 3, continue and follow the same work, repeat and follow from here, from row 7, the increasing row, change color for every corner and make a corner, 1 step down, continue and follow the same work around and around. For this square pattern, for this kitchen towel, I have completed 8 row, the size 5.5 inches from corner to corner. If you want to make more large size, repeat and continue, change color and follow the pattern for large size if you want to like. I have finished here. Now start the edging, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet in the corner stitch, single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet in the middle, single crochet, next double crochet and 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 double crochet stitches. Continue, make 1 single crochet in each stitch across, then make a corner and follow the same work around. Okay, here in the 1 2 3 4, this is the 4th corner, make a single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chains and single crochet again into the same chain space. For kitchen towel, make a holding lace and now continue work, 1 single crochet in each stitch across, then slip stitch. Okay, the second single crochet row, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet next stitch in the middle chain, make a single crochet corner, chain 1 and single crochet, and then continue work, 1 single crochet in a single crochet across, and then in the chains make 1 slip stitch in each chain across, then single crochet and finish here with the slip stitch. Okay, I have finished kitchen towel pattern, mosaic granny square. You can easily to make this square larger or smaller. In the written pattern details, link in the description box. Like and share this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.